guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and today's video is a monthly favorites video. So this monthly favorites video is for the month of April. So in this video you will see a lot of food items mostly because that's what we bought a lot, like, you know, in the month of March and April. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. And before we do that, please press the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed to my channel. Let's begin. So the first one, again, as I said, food item. So both are biscuits actually. So this is a biscuit that I've really liked. It's Hatari biscuit. Okay, so it's an Indonesian biscuit. So the brand name is Hatari. So I had their cheese one. So this is like, you know, the biscuit is like how you have these cracker biscuits. So it's like a cracker biscuit with sugar on top of it, and in between it is a stuffing. So I had the cheese one before I had this one. So I really liked the cheese flavored one, and then I saw a peanut butter one, and then I got a peanut butter one. But the peanut butter and they have three flavors basically: cheese, peanut butter and chocolate. But I did not like the peanut butter, nor did I like the chocolate one. The cheese one is divine. Like, you know, it's the saltiness of the cheese is inside that stuffing. Then they have the sugar on top of these cracker biscuits. When you eat it, it feels so heavenly. It's amazing. So y'all can search. I got it from Maxon. There's a shop here called Maxon where they, you know, they sell these stuffs, all these imported stuff. So this is Hatari biscuit. The name is Hatari. So it's a Hatari. It's an Indonesian biscuit and it's Hatari biscuit. So I liked the cheese one. You all can try which you all like. Peanut butter. I'm very fond of peanut butter, but in this biscuit, nahi, acha nahi laga mujhe. So that's one thing. Second one is this Lotus Biscoff biscuit that I really like. This you get it off Amazon. So this is like, मुझे लगता है UK का Parle-G है ये. So it's a caramelized biscuit, and you know, Lotus Biscoff, they use it in a lot of desserts. So what I have done is, like, recently what I've done is that I eat it with my normal tea and all, but as last Friday or something, I took this, I crushed it, then I added some cream to it, then I added melted butter, and after that I added sugar. I just shaked it all, and then on top of that I added mango. So I just scooped in like this, you know, mango, cream, and that biscuit crunch. It tasted amazing. So if you don't have any if you don't want to do a lot of mehnat and you are craving for sweet, this is your go-to thing. You all should definitely try it. So these were the two favorite favorite food items for this month. I have one more, but that has finished, and in Maxon also it's out of stock. Or Big Basket वालों ने फिर से अपना नाटक चालू कर दिया. It is going to come after 1 week. So these are rice sheets. You know, these Korean rice sheets, you just dip it in water and then you add. I tried the rainbow rolls before, so for that I bought these rice sheets, and my sister actually had introduced me to rice sheets. I'm not she is a vegan, so she knows all these stuffs. So she had made it and given it to me when I was in Kerala. So I liked it a lot, so I got one from here. So like, every rice sheet is different. You have to see. Some they say dip it in hot water. Some is like just water. Hers is like she dips it in hot water. Mine was like just normal water, and it was that was what was written on the packet. Then you know, she puts these bell peppers, cabbage, carrot, and these rice noodles. She folds it, and then you have it with a spicy peanut dip. So I have the recipe link. I'll put that recipe link in the description box below. You all can definitely go ahead and try it. So that is again my favorite. These are the three things which were my favorite for the month of March. Now moving on to favorite show. So favorite show, I watched a lot of shows last month. I watched Bridgerton, then uske baad I watched Bold Type, and after that I watched some other show. But then I don't know. I had read about Sex and the City doing there'll be a rewind of Sex and the City. So then I was like, I felt like watching Sex and the City again, and my God, after I started watching it, I was like, that show was so ahead of time. Like the problems which are not being addressed even now in that show, they have addressed those problems. And I suppose that show was like older. That show is like older than Friends. It's 20 years ago the show aired. So I really liked that show, and now I'm watching it again. And whenever I watch Sex and the City, I somehow kind of have this courage to, oh, I should stand up for myself, blah 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 blah, blah. And this is not something you do. So I don't know, I really find a lot of courage when I watch that show, and I just love that show. So favorite show will be Sex and the City. Favorite movie, there are two favorites that I have for this month. First is Kumbalangi Nights. Now this is a Malayalam movie. It's a Malayalam movie. So this was recommended to me by one of my colleagues, and I think it's there on Amazon Prime. Yeah, I watched it on Amazon Prime, and it's a very nice, it's a time pass kind of movie, but yeah, I kind of liked it. So first will be Kumbalangi Nights, and second will be I Care a Lot. Oh my God, I remember I had watched that movie on a Friday, and I did a huge mistake of watching it at night. My blood was boiling until morning. I just could not sleep until morning. It had started at 12 o'clock, and from 12 o'clock until 5 o'clock, I literally could not sleep. As continuously, I was like, oh my God, such things happen, oh my God, such things happen. Throughout the movie, I kept on feeling anxious, and my heart started skipping. Oh my God, it was a very intense movie. And the acting, too good of an acting, too good of picturization, and direction, and storyline. So an amazing movie. You all should definitely watch it. I Care a Lot. So time for favorite song of the month, and my favorite song of the month is a Tamil song. So let's listen to it first.
Spotify Premium Family Plan at ₹199 per month.
I can just keep on listening to this song day and night. The second, I thought of adding another segment, like a thing that I shopped, a favorite thing that I shopped, and a thing that I regret shopping. So the one that I liked, the favorite thing that I shopped for this month is this name chain, which has got the initials of my mother, my parents, my husband, and my sister. So like it's PRHNVR. So it's got initials of all these people. So I have a family. There's a chain which has family written over it. So after that, I was thinking of putting up my name, a kind of chain I'll buy. But then instead of that, I thought, instead of just putting up my name, why not, add these people's name. Whenever I'll look at the chain, I'll feel blessed that I have these people in my life, and I'm so lucky to have these people in my life. They'll constantly keep on reminding me that, I'm loved and needed, and I have people who are there to take care of me. So that's my favorite thing that I shop. The thing I regret buying is this. This chain. So this is like a mask chain, and it's let's see, it's a mask chain, and then it's this thing. You can put it on your sunglasses and stuff like that. So I bought this for 800 rupees. My mother was like, what is wrong with you? Who spends 800 rupees on such changala? वो change is like changala. My husband is also like, it's very expensive. Then बाद में मुझे भी लगने लगा यार सही में it's very expensive. Why did I actually buy it? So yeah, good I didn't buy two. I was going to buy another tortoise thing also, that was for something 1000 rupees. So I was going to buy that as well. Good I did not buy two. I bought one. So this is one thing that I regret buying. Thoda sa, not that I regret, but thoda sa I regret buying. So yeah, let me remove the changala. So that's it for this monthly favorite videos, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up and also like, share, subscribe to my channel. Ta-da!